Hey everyone, I just want to do a quick video here. I'll probably go into details later on, but I want to look at some of the trades that we discussed last few weeks. It looks like we were early to the rally and got ourselves positioned in some nice trades. Just to, little matter of fact, I've been trading for over 20 years. Last 10 years been option focused. So let's start with the first trade that we talked about. We took some profit on it, if you remember, back on the first day of the month, 11/1, and now we're looking at. We still kept. I mentioned I was gonna keep one contract on. I think I'm gonna take it off, just because it's almost at our price target. I want to take some money off the table from some of the trades I have on. So this is a simple TEAM. We bought the calls for this on strike price 180 for March 25th. It was 3,140 per contract. We had about four. I sold three of them back on, like I mentioned, 111.1. And let's see what they're trading for right now. I'm going to put an order here any second now. So let's go to the 180s, March 25th. They're trading for $61. Nice. So that means we paid 31.40. We have a $3,000 gain just on that one contract alone. So very nice trade. Definitely met our parameters and looking good. So let's take a look at the overall market. Let's look at the Nasdaq using the options. I mean, not the options, the QQQ. As you can see, yesterday after the election results, everything got gapped up, and we've been rallying today. We also had interest rates cuts announced today, also, so feeding the rally. So we could probably see a nice little pull to the upside over the next few months on the Nasdaq. And let's look at the S&P. Same kind of situation. We were consolidating sideways, gap up, and break into the upside. So we do have a potential for this to move higher. Let's look at NVIDIA. NVIDIA also doing well. We have a long-term price target of NVIDIA over the next 3 to 4 months of going to, what was my price target on this? Target 180. So we're looking still at potential. We're at 148 of target 180. So we have potential anywhere between about 30 points left in target, but it's going to take us a little while most likely. But this is definitely bullish on Nvidia. Let's take a look at another one that we looked at, which was Cisco. As you can see, these are all kind of in the AI play. Cisco, Nvidia. These are infrastructure. Cisco's infrastructure for things. You see nice bull flag, breakthrough resistance. This is a long-term resistance. So we definitely see Cisco playing well and definitely good entry point back here. I actually did not have a trade set up on Cisco. I did no trades on it just to be transparent. So, but it's looking good, and definitely this is a stock to keep on watching for potential trades in the future. Um, that's kind of just one of some of the stocks I want to look at. Also, another one that's interesting. I did not trade Tesla, but Tesla did break through resistance of this 260, 270 mark that we had discussed in the past, 260, 263 actually. It broke through there, and looking at a long-term chart, there is definitely opportunity for this to go to the upside. So let's take a look at a 5-year monthly chart just to give us a better perspective of what Tesla looks like. You can see here, we could potentially look at Tesla retesting this 400 um, that 400 resistance area up here. Very interesting how things are developing. As you can see, long term made a high, pulled back, breaking up. Next area of potential resistance is about 400. So there's about 100 points of Tesla on the upside. So I'm gonna add this to the watch list and look for entry points on this. There's 100 points on the table here potentially. So we're gonna look at this in the future. Right now, I am a little reluctant to get in. We had a price gap from roughly 250 to almost 300 in a couple days. So I will be looking for the pullback and a better entry point. And that's it. Any questions? Feel free to reach out to me. My videos are unedited, so I'm looking at stops live and giving you my opinion for what it's worth. Take care and good trading.